Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer money from Access Bank to Opay. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Access Bank app, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you find the Access Bank mobile app? You can find it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type Access Bank and follow through the on-screen instructions to install the app. After installing, the app is going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked to either log in using your existing Access Bank credentials or to register by opening an account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into the home page for the Access Bank app where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Access Bank. So now, once you get there, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to transfer money from Access Bank to Opay. Now, once you get into the home page, all right, from the home page, you're going to see an option that says transfer. Now, go ahead and click on transfer. Once you click on transfer, the next thing you're going to be provided with an option for you to add an account that you want to transfer to. So, add the Opay account as a beneficiary. Once you do that, input the transfer amount and any required information. Then, double check all details to ensure accuracy and confirm the transfer with your transaction token. So, from the home page, head over to the transfer section and you're going to be given an opportunity for you to add the account. So, click on that and add the Opay account as the beneficiary. Then, input the transfer amount and any other required information. Double check all details to ensure accuracy. Then, confirm the transfer with your transaction token. Of course, you're going to be prompted to add your Access Bank 4-digit PIN. So once you do that, wait. After waiting a couple seconds, you're going to see that the Opay user will be credited. So this is pretty much how you can transfer money from Access Bank to Opay. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.